Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you could go ahead and embed a Canva newsletter in the email. So here I have an example of my newsletter. We have two pages right here. First, what you need to do is go ahead and download at least one page. So download page one. So come here to the top right, click on share, and then click on a download. And I'll go ahead and download the page one. Okay, make sure that is selected, page one. And we'll download it as a JPG. Perfect. Click on a download, and it's currently downloading, as you can see. Now what I'll do, I'll come to my email and click on compose. Let's enlarge this, and let's send it to ourselves just for test purposes. Tutorials. Okay, so here we have the image here at the top. So what I'll do, guys, let me type in the email, and we'll go ahead and put the subject as test subject or newsletter, anything like that. Now here in the body, what I need you to do is click on insert photo. Do not click on insert files. Click on insert photo. So I want you to go ahead and click on that. Now here, I want you to click on upload, and then we'll go ahead and browse. Okay, so we'll browse on my PC. We had just it downloaded here, as you can see. So let's go over here and this one right here. So click on open, and it's currently uploading, as you can see. And here we go. So this is what it will look like. Now let's go ahead and attach a link as well. So I'll come down here, and we need to attach and insert a link. So we'll come here, back to Canva. Here at the top right, click on share. Click on public view link. Okay. And then click on create public view link. And here you go. It is copied to your clipboard. You can also click here on copy. And then what you do, guys, is just insert the link. Okay. You can go ahead and edit this further as well. You can go ahead and make it small, best fit, original size. You can edit all text and all of that as well. I'll click on insert link. So you can add a text right here. You can see click for full newsletter. Okay, anything like that, and then type, or you can paste the link. Click on apply. And this is what it would look like. Okay. So this would take you to the link. You can place it down here as well. And then we're just going to send it just to view as an example. So here we go. I have received this. And then we can go ahead and click this for the full newsletters. This is what it would look like when someone receives this email. So I've opened this up, and it will open it up on Canva, and I can view the different pages, as you can see. And it's really that easy